So what exactly is going on here?
Getting the drone activated. We're going to do a little waterfowl action. No, we're going to hope not to do any waterfowl action. And this is the GOPRO KARMA.
And he concentrates. Oh man, good footage there. You got the shoreline, huh?
Yeah.
I've laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. And but now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me, I did it my way.
Oh no! He went and pulled a master.
I mean, like with no freaking.
Oh,
no, yeah. I'm too cool for school right now.
I'm terribly sorry, but that's better than Tom Jeffers.
Word.
Word.
Hey, this is Gunny Jeffers, aka Tom Jeffers, retired U.S. Marine Corps Gunnery Sergeant. Be sure to click like and subscribe to the page. I do not plan to ever monetize the YouTube channel that I have. There's over 120 something videos, if not more by now, and it's full of all kinds of different content. It's not the same old at all, ever.